This is a 1925 Underwood No. 3 typewriter. It has the 18-inch carriage. This particular typewriter came from a post office from Duncan, British Columbia. It has the issue strip still on the side with the registration number. The type basket is exceptionally clean, as you can see. The keys are in really good shape. It has a really long carriage, as you can see. I mean, as far as typewriters go, the Underwood standard No. 3 typewriters were made up to 24 inches, I think. I've seen them ridiculously long. This particular one is quite big. The biggest one I've had so far, the usual size I've had, is 12 and 14 inch. The rest is all pretty much the same. As you can see, it has the black and red ribbon selector, which is standard on the No. 5 and 4 and 3 typewriters. Actually, I don't know about 4, but the 5 and 3s. It takes these standard twin spool ribbons. The paint's not in great shape on this machine. It's been painted over. There is still some slight indication that under this paint the decals are present, such as over here. The previous No. 3 typewriter that I had the letters hidden behind paint. It was painted over, and when I was cleaning the machine I accidentally slipped with the screwdriver, scratched the paint, and I revealed some of the text that was painted underneath. So I wouldn't be surprised if there is some hidden underneath here. As you can see, there's some gold flaking over there and over here. Although it does still have the front plate and the paper plate decals, which means that it wasn't refurbished back in the 1940s when these were recalled. Because it is a bigger carriage, it has 3 paper support clips, as you can see, but still only 2 paper fingers, which are in good shape. Big ruler, in good shape. These tend to flake or bend up, but this one is in good shape and has all the markings. I have enjoyed using this machine, but the thing is, it's so big that it's not that pleasant to write with. It's quite heavy to use. I mean, swinging that carriage back and forth does make you tired fairly quickly, and it just takes up a lot of room. That was a bit of the downside. Still, I've owned the machine since 2010, so that's almost 6 years. Do a quick typing sample. And there you have it, a type sample of this 1925 Underwood No. 3.